Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are safe at home. Today, this is your English class and we are continuing our grammar portion. Okay, आज इंग्लिश क्लास है हमारी और हम इसमें अपने ग्रामर पोर्शन को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. We have to start new chapter. But before starting the new chapter, tell me how you can make a difference between one thing or more than one thing. हम न्यू कंसेप्ट तो शुरू कर रहे हैं, पर कोई क्या हमें पता हम कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं जब हम किसी एक चीज की बात करते हैं या एक से ज्यादा चीजों की बात करते हैं. तो टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट आई विल गिव यू अ डेमो. ओके किड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट. यू कैन सी देयर आर सम थिंग्स, one thing on the surface. What is this? This is a mask, only one mask. This is a pen. This is a trophy. This is a coin of carom, and this is a pin. All these things are single. Then I am saying mask, pen, trophy, coin of carom, and pin. And if I added something in this, now what can I say? Masks. There is a difference. Mask, masks. And now I added here some pens. Now this is pens. Pen or pens. Okay. Now I am adding something here. Okay. Now what is this? Now this is 3. Then we can say these are 3 trophies. Trophy and trophies. Okay. After that there are a coin of carom. I add more here. Now these are coins of carom. This is not a single coin. I am saying coin in place of coin. I am saying coins of carom. And last, this is a pin. Only one pin. I add more here. Now there are pins. So you came to know that there is a difference when we are recognizing one thing and more than one thing. This is the main topic which we start today, the singular and plural. When we are speaking about one thing or more than one thing, then what is the difference? Okay kids, now I think you understand the topic. Now we start reading. Noun, singular and plural. Singular and plural noun. You know the noun na? The name of person, place or thing is called noun. Now we explain what is singular and what is plural. From my previous demo, I think you came to know the meaning of singular and plural. When we are telling about one thing, then this is singular, and when we are talking about more than one things, then we can say these things are in plural form. Look at these pictures. This is a chair, one chair. These are chairs, more than one chairs. This is a tree, one tree, more than one trees. This is a watch, one watch, more than one watches. This is a bus, one bus. This is a more than one buses. The nouns chair and tree stand for only one thing. The nouns chairs and trees stand for more than one things. यहाँ जब हमने chair कहा या tree कहा तो वो हमारा one noun के लिए था. जहाँ हमने chairs trees कहा वो हमारा more than one thing के लिए था. Similarly we can say watch or bus. It means only one watch or one bus. But when we are saying watches or buses, it means more than one watch or more than one bus. The nouns chair, tree, watch and bus are said to be in a singular number. Mean a single is called singular number. हमारी जो वॉच है, बस है, ट्री है, चेयर है, वो क्या है? सिंगुलर है. वन है, सिंगुलर है. द नाउन्स चेयर्स, ट्रीज, वॉचेस एंड बसेस आर सेड टू बी इन प्लूरल नंबर. और जो हमारी चेयर्स हैं, ट्रीज, वॉचेस एंड बसेस हैं, वो क्या है? हमारा प्लूरल नंबर है. मीन मोर देन वन. नाउ यू केम टू नो ना, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिंगल थिंग then singular and more than one thing then it is plural. एक के लिए singular, एक से ज्यादा plural. A noun standing for one person, animal, place, or thing is said to be in the singular number. A noun standing for more than one person, animal, place, or thing is said to be in the plural number. ओके जब हम किसी भी वन पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग या एनिमल की बात करते हैं तो वो हमारा सिंगुलर नंबर है, और जब हम किसी भी मोर देन वन पर्सन, मोर देन वन एनिमल, मोर देन वन प्लेस और मोर देन वन थिंग्स की बात करते हैं तो वो हमारा प्लूरल नंबर है. आई थिंक यू केम टू नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल. So if we want to convert or change singular noun into plural noun, then we have to follow some rules. Okay. So formation of plurals means convert singular noun into plural noun. How we form singular noun to plural noun? This is singular one and this is plural. Right? This is singular and this is plural. Ball, balls. Pen, pens. Eye, eyes. House, houses. In these words, we add s in the end of the noun word. Okay, we add s in the noun word, end of the noun word. Windows, road, roads, wall, walls, teacher, teachers. Okay, this is the first rule and this is a simple one. Next, some noun that ends in a hissing sound. Nouns mean to say hissing sound. Bus, रस, क्लास. तो ये क्या है? हिसिंग की साउंड आना एक, तो वो क्या होता है? हिसिंग साउंड. जो नाउन हिसिंग साउंड से कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं. ओके, इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से इफ नाउन वर्ड एंड्स विथ एस, डबल एस, एस एच, सी एच एंड एक्स, देन वी एड es at the end of the word. Mean to say, when our noun word is ended by these letters, then we can add es. We have to add es at the end of noun word, like bus. The last letter is s. Then we add es, mean buses. Class, s, classes. Bush, sh. Right here, sh, bushes. Bench, ch is here, then es. Fox, fox. Last letter is x, so we add ex at the end of noun word. Okay, is it clear to all? Now the third rule. Some nouns that end in o, mean to say if any word, the last letter of a noun, we can say the last letter of the noun is o, then we also add es at the end of the word, like this. Mango, mangoes. Hero, heroes. Potato, potatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. There are o at the end of the noun word, then we add es at the end of the word. हम अगर हमारे लास्ट में हमने पहला रूल किया था एस हो, डबल एस हो, एस एच हो, सी एच हो और एक्स हो, तो हम ई एस ऐड करेंगे. और हमारा नेक्स्ट रूल है अगर हमारे वर्ड के लास्ट में ओ है तब भी हम वर्ड के एंड में ई एस को ऐड करके उसको चेंज करेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट. सम नाउन्स दैट एंड इन एफ और एफ ई. ओके, इन अदर वर्ड वी कैन से इफ आवर वर्ड इज एंडेड विद एफ और एफ ई, देन व्हाट कैन वी डू? वी रिमूव एफ और एफ ई एंड एड वी ई एस. हम उस नाउन वर्ड के एंड से एफ या एफ ई को रिमूव कर देंगे और ऐड क्या करेंगे हम वर्ड में? वी ई एस. लाइक नाइफ, के एन आई एफ ई. नाउ वी रिमूव एफ ई एंड वी एड के एन आई वी ई एस. वी रिमूव एफ ई एंड एड वी ई एस. लाइक लीफ, एल ई ए एफ. देयर इज एफ, वी रिमूव एफ एंड वी एड वी ई एस, एल ई ए वी ई एस, लीव्स. thief, thief. We remove f and add thieve. Wife, wife. There is fe at the end of the noun word. We remove fe and we add wives, wives. Okay, is it clear? जब हमारे नाउन शब्द के लास्ट में एफ हो या एफ ई हो तो हम उस F को और FE को वहां से रिमूव कर देंगे और ऐड क्या करेंगे, VES इन प्लेस ऑफ F और FE. Rule number 5, consonant plus Y. If noun word ends with consonant and Y, mean to say consonant other than vowels. Okay, consonant plus Y, then we remove Y and add IES in place of Y. Like baby. In the end of the word there is B and Y. B is consonant and just after B there is a Y. Then consonant plus Y, it means we remove BY, we remove Y and we write in IES in place of the Y. Means to say जब कॉन्सोनेंट के जस्ट बाद हमारा लास्ट एंड में Y आएगा तो हम Y को रिमूव कर देंगे और उसके प्लेस पे हम IES को लगा देंगे. City, CITY, T is consonant, so we remove Y and we add CITIES, means cities. Fairy, FAIRY, R and Y, R is consonant and after that there is a Y, so fairies, FAIRIES. We remove Y and we add IES at the end of the word. Same as story, STORY, R is consonant and at the end there is a Y. We remove Y and we add IES, STORIES. Army, ARMY, M is consonant, so we remove Y, ARMIES. Cherry, CHERRY, R is consonant, so we remove Y and we write CHERRIES. Okay. The sixth rule. When there is a vowel plus Y, there is a little bit difference that if there is consonant and Y at the end of word, then we remove Y and we apply IES. But the main point we have to remember is that if there is a vowel and after that there is the Y in the end of the noun word, then we did not remove Y. We do not remove Y. We add only S. Okay. If there is a vowel just before the Y at the end of the word, then we did not remove the Y. We add S after the Y, like boys, BOY. O is a vowel. Then we add only S, BOYS, boys. KEY, key, E is a vowel. Then we add S, KEYS, keys. Try, TOYS, tries. Monkey, MONKEY. Then we add S, only S, MONKEYS. We have to remember this rule, especially because sometimes we confuse regarding this rule. If there is a consonant and Y at the end of the word, then we have to remove Y and add IES in place of Y. And if they are a vowel and Y at the end of the word, then we only add S. We do not remove Y. Okay, is that clear? We read 6 rules, but there are some words we have to learn. Thus, in the singular and plural form of that words, like this: man, M-A-N, man. If we change the plural, that men. Woman, woman. We change a with E. Woman, a with E. Child. In child, we add REN at the end and children. Children is the plural form of the child. Ox, oxen. Food. Now we replace double O with double E. Food, feet. We replace double O with double E. Same tooth, teeth. We replace double O with double E. Goose, geese. Same double O with double E. Replace double O with double E. And mouse is mice. We have to learn or keep these words in mind that their singular form is not added only S or ES. We have to change something. Okay, thank you.